Look how much that battery is bubbled up. Not as bad over here. That's pretty crazy. Never seen a MacBook with this bad of a battery before. But the inside of this is not exactly clean. For this being your hard drive, all this dust caked around it is not good at all. This is what kills the majority of laptops, is heat, because you can't cool something you can't get airflow to. I'm doing a battery replacement here and a left and right speaker replacement on model A 1502. Yeah, 1502. Pretty impressed with the vendor, OWC something for Mac parts. Sent me that bottle of sent me eyeglasses, a syringe, and some adhesive remover. This is super cool. I always buy the cheapest. I always just buy a battery. Never comes with any of this stuff. I guess that's what you get when you pay a little extra.